Come on. Hey. Hey. Mwah. I think that's the cutest little noise I ever did hear. You gonna make it again? Hello, kind people. Happy Friday. Baby and I are on our way to the farm, but I'm having a bit of, I'm second guessing myself because it's his nap time and we can only stay for an hour because I have an appointment at noon. So yeah, I'm like, should we even go? But I already told one of my friends I was coming, and I want him to get out of the house for a little bit because we haven't been anywhere all week. So I guess we'll just have to have fun with the time we have, and he can nap later. Right? Like, he's already like head in the side of his car seat chilling. So he really might go to sleep out here. So they're doing storytelling at the farm, so I'm assuming people are going to want to see animals afterwards. Not a problem, right? I'm rambling. Happy Friday.
Hair was flashy and rude. He did everything quickly. Hair liked to tease Tortoise about being so slow. Tortoise ate breakfast. Hair said, by the toe. Slow down, you bow-legged reptile, screamed Hair as he tried to catch up.
I'm on a swing for the first time. I'm on a swing. I'm barely in it, but I'm on here. Right? Put your arm back. Oh, you don't like it? Oh, you don't like it? Wesley! Wesley, look! Hey! Hi, big boy! So, the farm was a good time, and we weren't rushed at all. They did like 30 minutes of story time and danced for a minute, and then was like, have a good afternoon. So that was cool. And so baby was literally like passed out. He was yawning before I left the parking lot, and then when I got home, or like right before I pulled into the house, like he had literally passed out. Like I heard him playing with his pacifier, and then I heard nothing. And I turned back around and he was like knocked out. So dropped him off with Danny, and now I'm about to enjoy my spa treatment that my awesome, amazing, and wonderful husband gifted me with. So I'm actually a little sleepy, and probably this treatment will make me even more sleepy, but you know, I'd rather be treated and be sleepy. Yep. So salon time was amazing. Like always, they never disappoint. but it was cheaper than I thought it was. So I had thought I had it in my mind where like, okay, I'll pay this dollar amount, have that much for a tip and everything, then I'll be good. But for what I paid, I could have got my eyebrows done too. But because it's an appointment only place, I couldn't just be like, hey, throw in the eyebrows. So I'm gonna go to another place and get my eyebrows done while my little is still sleeping. He's taking him a good afternoon nap. Fresh air does the body good, people. Fresh air does the body good.
It's done for us, and all we do is receive it by faith. And thank God that it's just because of that alone. Because if it was based upon what you and I do, none of us would ever be in a relationship with God. Thank God.
We did a whole bunch of nothing yesterday, which was Saturday. We just hung out at the house and enjoyed each other. So that was our Saturday. Today we went to service and went out to eat with some friends, which was a good time. And this morning of all mornings, I decided, or my body decided, that it wanted to wake up with my throat sore. So I don't know what that was about. So that's why I'm talking low. So yeah, now we're headed back home, and I'm trying to keep Wesley awake so we both can take a nap. And then Daddy will meet us home once he runs his errand. And then I think we're in for the night. I may do some grocery shopping, just a little bit of grocery, just slight, just not even a lot of grocery shopping, just to pick up a few things to get us through the week. So yeah.
You need one. Where your head at? In the other car. I'm gonna put some sunblock on your head.
Y'all hear this? She's gonna put sunblock on my head.
Well, you need to be putting that on anyway, especially if you bald.
I'm black.
That means nothing.
It means everything.
Nothing at all.
I got an automatic sunscreen on my head.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do. Anyways, good morning.
Waking him up. Is he going to sleep?
He playing with his pacifier. Anyways, good morning.
Good morning.
People.
Wait a minute.
On our way to the park to look at some animals. I might fall asleep. Or I might not. I might enjoy it. I don't know.
It's fun.
Jackie said it's fun, so I'll take a word for it. They went last week, so see what's up this week. They do come out ready to learn.
All right then. So how you know they can't understand you? Because like with him becoming 6 months, if I start doing milk to him, he can start doing that back to me, but he can't say milk, but he knows what this means. That means he can understand. Silent.
No,
My friend. That's what I like.
it means he can understand.
Exactly.
I didn't
he
say-
can understand what I'm saying. If
No.
I say milk,
He
and then he
if
signs
taught,
to me milk.
if taught, but he just can't talk to him and he understand what you're saying.
First of all, can you take the Arkansas? I need a little less Arkansas, because I don't know what you just said.
I mean, you don't know what I just said.
He was like, if talk, and if he can't talk, I don't know what you.
I said you just can't talk to him and expect them to know what you're saying. You have to teach him.
He knows exactly what I'm saying.
No, he doesn't.
Yes, he does.
No, he don't.
He and I have a strong bond. He knows exactly what his mama is saying. Keep your whispering. Wesley, look that way and sneeze.
You know his sneezes travel.
He got his mama back always.
He don't understand. If you teach
I'm
him,
telling
yes. If you teach him, of course.
I know everything is a learning lesson for him right now. 'Cause
No.
he's just soaking it all in.
Yeah, he is soaking it in. But that doesn't mean he understand it.
That means he will understand.
Yes, he
Sooner,
will.
By and by.
He will understand.
Yes.
If you
There
take
are some things that he does understand.
if you take the time to teach him something, yes, he can get it, because I believe our son is very smart. But as of right now, if I say, Wesley, stop, or Wesley, go,
Like stop and go, duh. But
He don't know.
He knows his name though.
he don't know his name. I call his name 50 times. He don't never look at me.
Ignores you.
He don't never look at me. Wes,
He ignores
Wes,
you.
Wes.
He knows when I call his name.
No, you just think.
No. He knows when I call his name.
No, he don't.
Yes, he does.
No, he don't.
He knows absolutely when I call his name. I don't think I brushed my teeth.
You might be the favorite part of me. You're my season, summer, autumn, spring. I won't hold back. You'll get all of me.
Come on, son.
When you call on me over mountains.
Snatch him off again. There we go. This has been going on for like 7 minutes.
Working on motor skills.
I'm going through pictures on my phone to you. I can't wait to get home to you.
Keep it from.
When I fall in love with you.
He quit.
Good morning to you.
Wesley, you quit. You finished? You finished? He quit.